Have you ever laid awake at night, replaying the hurt over and over, wondering why they did what they did? You smile during the day, but inside, you're still bleeding. Bitterness is a quiet thief. It doesn't scream, but it slowly hardens your heart. You think holding on will protect you, but instead, it's chaining you to pain that was never meant to last forever. But what if freedom isn't found in revenge or being right, but in letting go? Forgiveness is not saying what they did was okay. It's saying, I will not let this wound define me anymore. Ephesians chapter 4, verses 31 and 32 tells us, get rid of all bitterness, rage, and anger. Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other, just as in Christ, God forgave you. Jesus didn't just speak of forgiveness. He demonstrated it on the cross. Start today. Pray for strength. Write down your pain. Hand it to God. Say the words, even if your heart isn't ready. Forgiveness is a process, but freedom is the promise. You were never created to carry this weight forever. Let God lift it. Forgive. Not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Take a moment, grab a piece of paper. Now write these 3 words. I forgive you. You don't have to forget. You don't have to pretend it didn't hurt. But today, release it. Let it go. Throw the paper out. Tear it. Send it downstream. Because holding on is heavy. Freedom begins when you let it go.